basing on the fact that Uganda is making 60 this year, we're just going to get into that conversation a bit later. But basically, let's start with the work you do. What are the top mandates and services offered by URSB?
Uganda Registration Services Bureau is a government institution. This was a department under the Ministry of Justice. It was called the Registrar General's Department until 2010, when we became semi-autonomous. We are set up by an Act of Parliament of 1998, which is the Uganda Registration Services Bureau Act, Cap 210. And our mandate is very clear: to register. We almost register everything, save for a few. We run a number of registers under the 21 Acts of Parliament that we implement, and 18 regulations or implementing regulations there are under. And Brandy, if you may allow me to break down the registries so that we understand better what we do.
Yes, please.
Uganda Registration Services Bureau registers business names under the Business Names Registrations Law. We register companies under the Companies Act of 2012, but it's just recently been amended. So we're talking about an amendment of 2022. Uganda Registration Services Bureau registers documents, powers of attorney, agreements, and any legal document that has been signed by members and attested to or commissioned or witnessed. And these are registered under the Registration of Documents Act. Uganda Registration Services Bureau also registers partnerships under the Partnership Act. And Uganda Registration Services Bureau registers insolvency under the Insolvency Act and the regulations there under. And we also target on rescuing as many businesses out there as possible, because that's also part of our mandate. Uganda Registration Services Bureau has a register of security interest in movable property, and this is under the Security Interest in Movable Property Act of 2019.
Yes.
We register intellectual property in the different aspects. We have the trademarks that we register under the Trademarks Act. We have service marks still under the same Act. We have designs under the same Act. We have industrial property that we register, which is patents,